Love connection here between Houdini and Sassy. Aw. Did she get the spot? Is that the spot?